Friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Daisy Duck for beginners. So first let's get started with the top of the eye. We're going to arch this around and down on the right. And then we're going to leave a gap moving over on the left and replicating that. Now moving up towards the top for the center of the bow, we're going to draw in an oval right in the center. Closing it off on the bottom, we're going to curve this line across on both sides. Now from here on the top, we're going to arch this around and in. And then we'll do the same on the left. Moving down again, arching this across and in on the side. On both sides from the center, curving this line over. And then moving up towards the top of the bow, just curving this around, back in. Now from here, moving further down, we're going to start with the cheek, leaving a gap, curving this in, doing the same on the right. Closing off the side of the face now, we're going to curve this line over and in. Now let's draw in at the top of the beak. So we're going to curve this up, down, and then in for the bottom of the eye. And then we're going to do the same on the right. Now from here, let's connect that together in the center, curving this up and then back down on the right. Now for the eye, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval on the right-hand side, bringing that down. And then we'll do the same as we come over on the left. Now for the eyelid on the top of the eye, we're going to curve this line up, down, extending this further out and over for the bottom eyelash. And then we'll do the same on the left. Now as we move up, we're going to curve this line further up. And then again, as we move in towards the top. Now let's draw on the pupil of the eye. So we're going to curve this around and down on both sides. And then in the top, let's draw in a small oval. Now for the rest of the mouth, we're going to draw in a small bracket on the inside corner. We're going to bring this line in, out, and across. And then now here we have a small gap. We're just going to draw in a small curved line, arching that over on the right. And then moving up again, let's replicate that. In the center, let's draw in the letter V. Moving down, we're going to draw in a curved line that comes in on both sides. And then we're going to close that off with a curved line from left to right. Again, let's move across, curving that in and down. And then again, we're just going to close that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Daisy Duck for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.